Okay, and then scenario 4, handle e-commerce transaction. Okay, as you all know, that for e-commerce transaction like Shopee and Lazada, they need to issue self-billed e-invoice for their supplier. Okay, so if the seller that sell things to Shopee and Lazada, so you don't need to issue e-invoice to Shopee and Lazada because they will self-bill to you. Okay, let's say Tina purchased smartphone from Kedai Electronic Smart Gadget. Okay, and then Tina require an e-invoice. So this e-commerce platform, Zipit, will issue e-invoice to Tina on behalf of Kedai Electronic Smart Gadget. And then the Zipit is also required to submit self-billed e-invoice to Kedai Electronic Smart Gadget. Okay, so Kedai Electronic Smart Gadget no need to issue e-invoice to Zipit. Okay, so if you have transaction to Shopee or Lazada, like here, so you need to untick submit e-invoice so that both parties didn't submit the same document to my invoice portal. Okay. Okay, so for self-billed invoice, other related issues is buyer are not required to issue self-billed invoice if the interest payment is made to a financial institution. Okay, so Tina secured a loan from Bank Duit to finance to purchase her car. Okay, and then Tina make monthly installment payments. Okay, but Tina making an interest payment to the bank, so she don't need to issue self-billed invoice, but Bank Duit need to issue e-invoice to Tina. Okay. Okay, another one is buyer are required to issue self-billed invoice on interest payment made to related companies. Okay,